If you're now ready to start your business, you should find out how VAT will impact you. VAT is a tax everyone pays on the things they buy. This applies to a business as well. If your business is registered for VAT, you can recover the VAT paid on your purchases, but you'll have to charge your customers VAT on what they buy from you. You're then responsible for paying the amount collected from customers, less the amount you paid on purchases, to the taxman. There are some very complex rules relating to VAT, and there are substantial penalties for not getting it right. Businesses have actually been known to fail simply for getting the VAT wrong. The main thing to find out is, do you have to be registered? Registration is mandatory when turnover rises above a set limit. The current limit can be found on the Brightstar website. If you exceed the limit and expect to continue to do so, then you must register for VAT immediately. For very small businesses that have not reached the limit, registration for VAT can be voluntary. The decision whether to register depends on your customers and your competitors. If your customers are VAT registered, they can claim back the VAT you charge, and you should consider registration, as this will reduce your costs but not affect your income. If your customers are not VAT registered, for instance private individuals, then becoming registered means your prices will go up by the addition of VAT. Applying for VAT is easy and can be done online, although you may prefer to get Brightstar to do this for you. Your application will be delayed if something is not in place when you apply. For instance, you need to have a bank account, and some business types lead to additional questions from the taxman. Once you've applied for VAT, you should think about some of the special schemes that are available to small businesses, such as cash accounting and the flat rate scheme. You should also find out if your business type falls under special rules, for instance buying and selling second-hand goods or importing and exporting.